You want to code HTML and CSS at faster speed. Emmet is the solution. Hello everyone, and welcome to the second part of the Emmet series, Implicit Tag Names. In many cases, you can skip typing tag names and Emmet will substitute it for you. For example, if you just type in here dot content, hit enter, it gives you opening and closing div tag with the class content. Div is the default tag if you don't specify any tag prior to the class, whereas it depends upon the parent context. For example, let me show you a couple of implicit tags. Say if you just type in here ordered list, and inside ordered list you type dot item with a $sign, and you want say 3 number of item lists, so just hit enter and it gives you the list items, whereas I did not type any tag prior to the class name. And then let's type in here table, and inside table I'm gonna give a class name, say table data. I also want to number this class, and let's have 3 of this item and hit enter. So if the parent is table and you don't specify any tag, just class name, you'll get table row. And then if the parent tag is table head and you have a class of table data, and let's add it to, again it provides table row, and if the parent is table foot and inside you give a class name table data, it again gives you table row. Or if the parent is table row and you give a class, say table data 2, it gives you table data. Let me increase the font size of my editor. Actually I did not increase, I actually zoomed in. Well, so far so good. And if you have a parent, say select, and inside select you have class, say option 2, it gives you option opening and closing tag, because here our parent tag is select. And if you have parents, say info, hit enter, you get span. Or say let's go to something much more complex, table, and inside table I'm gonna add an ID of row, and I'm also gonna number say 2, and inside row let's add attribute called span, value would be 2. Hit enter and you get table data, inside table row. We did not type table row, we did not type table data, so it's all about the parent tag. And that was all about implicit tag names. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.